Hello guys, how are you? I'm fine. Wanna know how do I create this Korean makeup look? Then just watch this video till the end. Moisturization is the main thing before you applying any kind of makeup. So I use NYB Vitamin C Serum. The second thing is primer. I use NYB Brightening Primer. Primer helps you to minimize your pores and it helps to apply your makeup evenly. The third thing is concealer. It can be helpful for hiding any kind of spots, dark circles and etc. For blending, I use a wet beauty blender. Fourth step, I use Faces Canada foundation. It's a matte foundation. I just apply this on my face with a brush. And please don't forget your neck. After applying this foundation, I blend it with the wet beauty blender. Suddenly I realized my face is too bright than my neck, so I apply some concealer on my neck and blend with this beauty blender. For set my base makeup, so I use Blue Heavens Sapphire loose powder. Now I have to done my eyebrows and I want to say sorry to you because my eyebrows are very messy right now. I'm a very lazy kind of person, that's why I didn't go to the parlor and I'm not done my eyebrows for so many days. I just fill my eyebrows with the eyebrow palette. With using some concealer, I want to hide my extra hairs on my eyebrow areas. Now I remove all those powders from my eyes. Now I'm gonna use some eyeshadows. I use this palette from Wet n Wild. Korean peoples don't apply heavy makeups on their eyes. Korean peoples have plimped eyes, I don't. So I create plimped eye something with eyeshadows. Lighter shades I use. Now I use this purple shade on my eyelids. I use fan brush for removing all those fallouts of eyeshadow, or you can say I just remove all the extras. Now I put eyeliners on my eyes. Korean peoples are not, I don't see them to wear something like cat eye eyeliners or winged eyeliners. I just saw them like they put eyeliner like downwards. I just trying hard to make them perfect. gonna put some glitter eyeshadows on my eyelid because Korean people love glittery eyes. I just put some glitters on my lower eyelid. So I don't have any contouring palette or something, so I gonna put some eyeshadow as like contour, and yeah, it's really work. Koreans are always put some blushes on their cheeks, like pink or peachy colors. So I put some pink blush on my cheeks. Applying some highlighter. Highlighter is most favorite thing of mine. It's a Wet n Wild highlighter. I really love this highlighter. It's really pigmented, and you can see it works. Korean peoples have really nice and prettiest eyes ever I saw. So I put some white kajal on my water drop line, so my eyes look bigger. Some mascara. I just love with this Stay Quirky Shakti lipstick. It's It's a creamy matte lipstick. The texture of this lipstick I just love. I just put lipstick under my lips and blend it with my fingers. I put some highlighter on corner of my eyes. Now makeup fixing spray is the last thing I have to do. After using fixing spray, I use a little more highlighter on my cheekbones and my highlighted area of my face. And here we go, my Korean makeup look is done. Hope you all loved my Korean makeup look, so don't forget to subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for future notification, and if you like this video then share it with your friends. Stay healthy, stay beautiful. Bye bye.